Hey everyone and welcome to today's video. Today we're taking a look at how to reset your service lights on your BMW E60 or E61. Now the first step you guys need to go ahead and do is click on the check button that's located on the indicators, as you guys can see. So once you go ahead and locate that, go ahead and click on it until you should see the date on your instrument cluster. Once you see the date, go ahead and click on your trip button and press and hold until you see the oil logo pop up. Now from here onwards, you're in the menu to allow you to reset each individual service light settings. How you're going to do that is press and hold the button again until you see the word reset, and press and hold it again, and it'll go ahead and reset for you. If you just press the button once, you'll be able to cycle through each individual different service light settings. So if you need to go for a specific one, you can go ahead and do that. Now once you reset your service lights, it's not going to allow you to reset again, and that's about it. So go ahead and just leave the button and it'll go back to the normal menu. So thank you all so much for watching. As always, don't forget to share, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next one.